Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up administrator password in BIOS on HP Compaq 250. Once you're in BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it. Just go to the security and now you can find the administrator password, and if you are pointing here, then you can just click on enter and now enter the new password. Then click on enter and now re-enter it so it confirms it. And click on enter, and now the password has been saved. I can click on enter and now it's set. You can also set the power on password, so the administrator password will be used to enter the BIOS and the power on password will be used every time you power on the device. And to delete the password for either administrator or power on, just make sure you are pointing on the password you want to delete, then click on enter. Now enter the current password at the top, then click on enter, and if you want to set a new password, then enter it here and re-enter it down below. But if you want to clear the password, then just click on enter and leave these two fields blank. Then click on enter to continue and it will say clear. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.